In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pictures or clip art to a PowerPoint presentation. Adding visual elements to your slides is an excellent way to enhance your presentation and keep your audience engaged. Whether you're looking to incorporate photographs or fun clip art, I've got you covered. So let's get started. First, make sure you have PowerPoint open on your computer. To begin, open your specific PowerPoint presentation where you'd like to add these visual elements. Take a moment to look through your slides and decide where you want to place your images or clip art. This little bit of planning can save you time as you proceed. Once you're ready, head to the top menu bar of PowerPoint and find the Insert tab. This tab contains all the different elements you can add to your presentation, including tables, charts, and of course images. Click on the Insert tab to reveal these options. To insert a picture stored on your computer, look for the Pictures button within this tab. Clicking on it will give you a drop-down menu from which you'll want to select this device. This option allows you to browse your computer files for the exact image you want to include in your presentation. Navigate to the folder where your image is saved, select it, and click on the Open button to upload it into your PowerPoint slide. Now, if you're interested in adding clip art instead, PowerPoint has a built-in feature for that as well. Again, within the Insert tab, look for the Icons option. Clicking on this button will open a dialog box filled with an array of icons and clip art you can use. It's a convenient feature for finding graphics directly within PowerPoint without having to hunt them down online. Once the dialog box is open, use the search bar to type in keywords related to the clip art you're looking for. For example, if you want a clip art of a light bulb, simply type light bulb into the search field and press enter. The results will populate with various light bulb designs. After locating the image or clip art you wish to use, click on it to select it, and then press the Insert button to add it to your slide. The image should now appear on your slide, where you can move, resize, and rotate it to fit your layout perfectly. And there you have it. Adding pictures or clip art to your PowerPoint presentations is as simple as that. By following these easy steps, you can enhance the visual appeal of your slides and create a more engaging experience for your audience. Make sure to adjust the size and position of your images so they complement the text and other elements on your slides. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy presenting.